Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! If you are in the US, you are more than likely celebrating by eating turkey, watching the parade on TV, or just celebrating with your friends and family. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I am obsessed with Snoopy. I'm a huge Peanuts fan, so I thought doing Thanksgiving Snoopy Nails would be perfect. So let's take a look at how I created these. I started off with 2 coats of Don't Bossa Nova Me Around, and I painted 2 of my nails with that color, and then I painted the other 2 nails with French Tip by Color Club. The reason why you want to use light colors is because if you use a dark color, the decals will not show up. So that's why I used a white and a beige. I purchased these decals on eBay, and I will link the eBay store below where I got them. Now you're going to take your decal sheet and cut out the image that you want. First thing I do is cut it out in a square just to get it off of the decal sheet on its own. Then I take my scissors and just take off all the excess decal that's left over. You want to make sure you cut very close to the image as possible. Use a bottle cap or a very small cup. Make sure it's not too deep. Fill it with lukewarm water and submerge your decal in there for about 15 seconds. Then you're going to take some tweezers, take out your decal from the water, make sure you shake off any excess water, and then you're just going to slide the decal right off and place it on your nail. I use my finger, or you can use a paper towel, to just dab on the decal into place and to remove any excess water that's underneath the decal that gets trapped in there and can cause any air bubbles. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Final step is to add a glossy top coat to seal everything in, and you are done. I am beyond in love with my Snoopy Thanksgiving nails. How cute is the Woodstock turkey? And Charlie Brown looks so cute with his little pie. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. These were so easy to do. If you are celebrating Thanksgiving today, leave me a comment below and let me know what is your favorite food to eat on Thanksgiving. Mine has to be turkey smothered in cranberry sauce and apple pie. Yum!